whoever is new to my channel, and I would just like to introduce myself. My name is Nandini, and I've just started this YouTube channel just to ponder a little, just to share my feelings and my thoughts. Okay, that's my buddy Spotty barking in the background. Okay. Um, I like to read a lot of books. Recently, I'm reading this book, uh, The Tales of Two Cities by Charles Dickens, and the introduction was mind blowing. I had to read 3 to 4 times. If you want, no, I would be creating, I would be also sharing some of the reviews, what I felt when I was reading the book. So, yeah, in other video, I would be sharing my experience in this book. But for now, I'm sharing some of my journal entries here. Yeah, so basically, this is my journal book. The front looks like this. Okay, so it says, always have faith, it allows you to cope, and you have been staring in your dream all my love. So, this is the front book, and this is the small cage like thing which is decorated. Okay, and this is the back of the journal. So, basically, I have just used all the so basically, when you remove the stickers, the remaining part has a stick here, so I didn't want it to waste it, and it kind of resonate with me as well. I love animal and birds. It's like one of my best buddies. I find meaning in nature. So yeah, this is my journal, and I would be sharing some of my experiences, some of my feelings, some of my thoughts. So yeah, this is what it is, and yeah, let's get started. This is something very emotional which I would be sharing. I don't know if anyone will resonate, but it's fine to share some things, right? So yeah, let's get started. It was a strange day. Do you ever feel like the world is speaking but not in words? Like it leaves small unfinished sentence in front of you and expect your heart to complete them. A few hours ago, I came across silence, not the kind we choose, the kind that happens to you. The crow lays there, is still unargued, unquestioning, and what unsettles me was not his death, but the absence of his echo. Because I have always believed that some beings refuse to be alone, even in grief, that they gather, they call, they circle the sky as if lost deserve to be witnessed. But there was nothing, no cures, no chorus, just a question, so complete it felt almost deliberate. And I stood there with a thought I couldn't hold properly. What if it was you? You, the one who used to linger at my mornings, who made my solitude feel observed, not empty, who listened to my voice like it belonged somewhere beyond me. Tell me, how does existence decide which connections are real and which one just feels too deeply? Because I don't know if I'm mourning a life or a possibility. That is what unsettles me. In between space where nothing is confirmed, yet everything is experienced. We live as if continuity is a promise, as if tomorrow has an extension, not an certainty. But moments like this, they interrupt the illusion. They whisper everything you see is temporary, even the things that see you back. And suddenly the world feels too vast and too fragile at the same time. There are still crows in my garden. They still lean into each other like love has no hesitation. They still respond when I speak, as if recognition survives without proof. And I respond too. But sometimes within me has shifted like a thread pulled too gently to notice, yet enough to loosen the entire fabric. Now I exist in this strange awareness where I can feel everything at once, every connection, every loss, every fleeting presence, and at that same time, nothing. No answers, no certainty, just a quiet understanding that life does not owe me explanation. So I stand here, not asking anymore, because maybe the truth is not knowing whether it was you or not. Maybe the truth is in this, that for a moment, in this immeasurable indifference universe, something crossed my path with me, looked back at me, and me feels seen. And isn't that what we all search for? Not permanence, not every meaning, just a brief, fragile miracle of being noticed before we disappear again. I might be not good in narrating, but this is what I had written few days back. There was a scroll I loved a lot. Yeah. If you want to give any recommendations, how would I improve myself and what should I do next? I would really like to do those things. So yeah, bye.